Hey guys, this is Joyce and I am trying to do some crafting. We can't go out. It's getting ready to storm. It has already started raining and we are expecting some major storms here in my area. And I got my exercise workout clothes on, so I'm going to get up and do my workout. And actually I'm going to do a really good workout. I need to do weights. I have a fluidity bar that I need to do 30 minutes. I'm going to do 30 minutes on, blah, blah, blah. You don't care about that. And that is not what this video is about. So let me get to the point here. I was looking for some stamps because I need to do a couple cards. And I needed sympathy. And I knew I had a set. And I don't have a lot of sympathy stamps. But I knew I had one set. And it was on one of these rings. And I got to looking about how junky my room is really looking right now, and I had 3 rings. As you can see, there are a lot of stamps and they are not organized in any way. And I had them on 2 big rings and I have another smaller ring. So I have a question for you. How do you organize if you have any stamps that come like this? You know, I love rubbernecker stamps and they come in these little bags. But when was the last time I used it? Because I don't ever think about them. So, if you have these size stamps, how do you organize them? And do you use them a lot? I find that some of these I've never used. So, once I want to get them organized, I will be keeping them on the rings. So I'm hoping that one ring will hold everything that I decide to keep, because it's just too much. It's just really too much. I'm still working on this room, and I want to be able to show you my room in an organized state. And honestly, at this point, I don't know when that's going to happen, because I've been shopping, so I need to be moving some stuff out. So I'm probably going to be going through my dies also, and you know, taking them down, because there's some that I have never used. There's some that I definitely plan to use, but it's got, I need a calming effect in here. So I'm going to do a giveaway once I go through this pile of stamps. I'm going to pull out everything that I have not used, that I know I'm not going to use. And it's nothing wrong with the stamps. Most of the stamps are really great, but they've just not come up into what I create. You know, there's just not been any, I don't guess, because I just never go to them. I never go to them. I bought these, they look like bottle cap tops. I've never used that. Never. This one I do. Well, I plan to, because I want to make ATCs out of those. But anyway, here's what I want to do. Once I organize and declutter, okay, and that's what we're going to call it, and downsize my collection, I want to do a giveaway with those stamps that I pull out. And what I need you to do is be a subscriber. You must be 18 or over. Leave a comment in the box if you have these small sets of stamps, and I want to know, how do you organize them? Do you use them often? And let's see, I guess that's it. Okay, yeah, that's what I want you to leave me the message. I got 2 things. Leave a comment in the box and tell me, how do you organize your stamps this size? And do you use them often? Okay, this is going to run until the end of April. And I will do the drawing on May 2nd. So if you want to be included in that, those are the things you have to do. I will leave these instructions in the box below. And I'm going to get to organizing. So guys, yeah, let me know. And I'm going to see if I can't clean up this, because it was frustrating trying to find what I was looking for, and it was in no way organized. And I have a lot of stamps from the same company, so I want to have those together. Rubbernecker, I have quite a bit of that, so I definitely want to keep them together. And so yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to cut this video off here, and today is 4/12. Okay, and I will chat with you later, because I will definitely be uploading some more videos, because I do have some projects that are near completion. So guys, have a great Sunday, stay safe, and I'll chat with you in the next video. Bye. Okay guys, I am back with my organization of my little bitty stamps. Why they were on 3 different things, I have no idea, but I have condensed it down to 1. Oops, and they are actually, all brands are together, like all my Rubbernecker stamps are together. I love Rubbernecker, and I love that they also have some dies, and I hope when we go back that I can find dies for some others. So, you know, they are organized now. Elizabeth Crafts, I know I got a couple more of hers. Kelly Perky, Stampabilities, got quite a few Stampabilities. We Are Memory Keepers, 4th of July. So anyway, they are organized, and that is what I am keeping. So let's move that out of the way. And actually, oh, I forgot to put these on there. These are just small stamps that I have for my coffee projects, and some dies that I'm going to punch a hole in this one so that I can hang it, because it's so small. But then I guess dies really need to be with dies, and that's a happy birthday die that was in there. So those really need to be in with dies. And then these I'm going to put. So those are my vitamins, which is next on my list of things to do. Let me get them out of the way. So guys, these are all the stamps that are going to be in the giveaway. There's a Christmas stamp. I've never used it. And it says Hampton Art. Studio 112. I got a couple of those, which I thought they were cute when I bought them, but I never used them, so I am putting those in there. I have one high heel shoe stamp, which I love shoe stamps, but I have a bigger set, 2 of them, so I thought I don't need to keep that one. This is like another Studio 112. It's like a background stamp, but I have something similar in a wood block that I thought would do, and this is like a swirl stamp. And I might have used that, you can see, but I have something bigger, so I don't need that. And then I have dies. This is a friend stamp, which I don't think I ever, and that's birds on a ledge there. But I can't remember ever using it, but I'm going to put all of that in there. And then there's Heidi Swap. There are those bottle caps that I bought on clearance and never ever used. And then I have some, oh, I got the little monkey. I do have some other monkey stuff, so it was like, you know, I just don't need to have a lot of it. And then I have these planner stamps that are Prima, and oh, they're all Prima. And I have some other stamps that have the same type of ish things on it, so I just did not need to keep those. Definitely working on decluttering, and guys, this is what the giveaway is gonna be. And there may be a little something extra in that package, but these are all the stamps that I am going to be putting in the giveaway. As I said, I will have all the necessary information in the box below. So yeah, if you think you might want to own these or win these or get these, leave me a comment, answer the questions that will be listed. There are only 2 or 3, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye guys.